Welcome back, everyone, to Sports Extra on this Sunday night. And we watched Dwight Phillips dominate the long jump. It's one of the world's best for some 15 years. He is here tonight to join us on Sports Extra. Dwight, always great to have you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Hey, great to see you. Talk about an announcement that we heard you make this week. Say it's not so. It really is.
Yeah. I mean, last year, 2012, was devastating for me, not being able to compete in the Olympics. And I really wanted that year to be my last year, but unfortunately, I tore my Achilles. So I had to kind of like reanalyze things, and I decided that I was going to make 2013 my last year. I wanted to go for the unprecedented 5th outdoor world title to surpass, any American in that quest. But I ended up finishing 11th. But I'm proud that I was able to come back and represent the United States of America and be the only American in the finals. So I'm happy with that.
Yeah, happy, and a bit bittersweet because we know how much you put into it and the work you put into it. Thoughts about that, just building up this whole career and the way it's all come together for you, being able to do some remarkable things.
Yeah, it was outstanding. Like, as a kid, I never even fathomed that I would be that kid, that adult, I would say, that would go on to win the Olympic championship or the world championship. So it's also real for me that, I accomplished all these great accolades. And, I've done it. I followed in the footsteps of some great individuals, such as Ralph Boston and Jesse Owens, Carl Lewis, Ernie Robinson. Now I can say I'm up there with them, Dwight Phillips. So I feel ecstatic.
A part of history indeed, a part of history indeed. Those about, though, the things you want young people to know. Someone who's seeing that say, I think I want to try to do that. What words would you pass?
Well, you know what, for me, like that's what I'm doing now. I have the Leap of Faith Community Outreach, and it's basically a vessel to help kids with behavioral problems to say, hey, if you have a dream, don't allow your mom, your dad, your sister, I don't care who it is, you don't allow anybody to be a dream killer. And you can do anything you put your mind to. And I just want to serve as that positive person in the community to help service them. That's Leap of Faith Community Outreach. That's what we do.
That's one of the things that you're doing, but you've already started in another phase of your career as well, as far as production with film and talk about that a little bit, because we saw the spot that you did that you created for Nike. But talk about that. You've had a lot of fun with it, and you're really enjoying it.
Yes. About 7 years ago, I went into video production. I've always had just a passion for just the motion pictures and putting things together. So I invested in QuickTime Cinema, and I definitely plan on doing a lot of great things with sports. So I want to tell everybody to look out for Reliving the Moment. That's my next big piece, and I'm excited, and it's going to be great.
Looking for great things, man. That's him doing the work at the place at Panthersville, where he put in so much of the work. Ian Duvay is here, the president of USA Track and Field Georgia. Ian, what does it mean to have this young man be a part of the legacy of track and field in this state?
I mean, I think Dwight comes in with, there's a long list of athletes that have come through the state, and he's just that new person on the block that's taken that leap and moved the bar higher than we've ever thought. And the personal piece of me that I got a chance to see Dwight come through the system, the Junior Olympic system. He started with DC Motion with Van Wilkerson, and then went to DC Express with Ron Williams, and he came to my club, Quicksilver Track Club, and obviously we got a chance to see Dwight do his thing there, and then he moved on to another club after that to end his Junior Olympic career. And then just as any fan or track fan, we look at our stars. We see it. Dwight was kind of the middle-of-the-road guy in college, and then he just blossomed into this world champion, 5-time world champion. So
fantastic. Now, you brought something along from that you wanted to share with us tonight?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I wanted to, Dwight, one of the traditions that I started as president of the Georgia Association is the USA Track and Field President's Award. And I wanted to present this for your illustrious career, 13 years of performance and entertaining us and setting the bar and moving those records and being the only American in the finals of the championships this year. So we wanted to present this to you. It's the USA Track and Field President's Award, as well as a certificate to hand on your wall that says basically for your excellence in athletics and then your next endeavors in excellence in business. So we're looking for big things from Dwight Phillips, Olympic gold medalist and long jump and 5-time long jump champion.
That's it.
All right, I appreciate that.
No problem.
Thanks a lot.
Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. It's a wonderful career, but then the next phase is already underway. Dwight Phillips, we thank you for all you've done to represent this area, Tucker High School, Cobb County,
yes.
of Atlanta, and the whole United States of America. We're so very proud of your accomplishments, and we look forward to more things to come from you in the future, all right?
Thanks a lot, Sam. I really appreciate it, man.
All right, great to have you with us tonight. Ian, thanks so much for coming in and making
Hey, Sam, thanks for inviting us, and I appreciate just having this honor of being here today.
All right, that is tremendous. Tremendous career, job well done. Well done, both of you gentlemen. Okay, stay tuned. Still to come on Sports Extra. The Dogs bounce back at home. Yes.